Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and you are watching a video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location contains some nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, it's not required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The property is first class and is often enjoy the surrounding. So through the link provided in the description. To gain more details below the link in description. If you are facing any kind of problem in this property, you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out from this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are